Hey friend, it's you! It's me, Tinker, and this is Vac the Vacuum Bot. And today in Vac's workshop, we're using all sorts of bubble machines and mechanisms to make all sorts of crazy bubbles. Come on, let's go! This is a bubble machine, and it has all sorts of bubble wands here, going round and round, dipping into the bubble solution right here, and then going over the blowers and fans to blow them up high. A bubble machine can make a lot of bubbles. And if you add another fan next to it, you can add more wind and make them go even higher. Whoa! Do you see that, Vac? I love it. There are so many different kinds of bubbles. You saw our other bubbles, but look at this. Whoa, it's like suds, like in a bubble bath. Oh my goodness. Now to make these kind of bubbles, you just need some water, and you need some soap, some dish soap's really good. And you need a shop vac. Remember our shop vac? And look, we put it on the blow so that it blows a bunch of air through our hose. And then I took a dish towel and I wrapped it around the hose. And we're gonna dunk the dish towel in here. Yeah. Okay, Vac, are you ready? Yeah, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, so cool. Whoa, let's make some more. Now, tiny bubbles are so fun, but what's even more fun are giant bubbles. Now, to make giant bubble solution, you're gonna wanna add some water and some dish soap, just like before. But this time you wanna add a little bit of sugar. Yeah, sprinkle some sugar in there. And the crystals of the sugar make it really strong. And then you can make giant bubbles, come on. Now, when you mix it all up, then you can make this out of yarn. Yeah, it's a circle, and you can dip it in, and then make some ginormous bubbles. Whoa! Oh my goodness, do you see how big these are? They're huge. Whoa. Okay, here I come. Whoa! That's huge. Wow, look at this one. Whoa, did you see that? Whoa! Let's try it one more time, ready? Set, here I come. Whoa. Whoa, this is the biggest bubble I've ever seen. Did you see that? Whoa, okay, one more. Oh my goodness. Pop, so much fun. Hey, I have an idea. Come on. Well, we saw what one bubble machine looked like before, but look, I have 5 bubble machines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bubble machines. Let's turn them on and have a big bubble party. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Whoa, look back. There's millions of bubbles everywhere. Oh, look at the sky. Oh, look at all of these bubbles. hope you had so much fun, friends, learning about all the different types of bubbles. And I wish we had more bubble machines to play with, but that'll be for another video. We'll see you next time in Tinkerland. Bye-bye. I know, Vac, it's so cool. Whoa.
Spend every morning with Tinker and all of his helperbot friends. Building, learning, and using your imagination.
Whoa, I have an idea. Oh my goodness. We built this all by ourselves. We're so big now.
There's so much to do and see in Tinkerland. So tune in every day here on Tinker and Friends.